Hello students, in this video we will discuss about circles. Circles is the chapter of class 9th maths NCERT. You are already familiar with circle from the junior classes. What is the circle? If you want to define mathematically to the circle, then you can say that set of points in a plane whose distance of all points from any fixed point is always constant is known as circle. That means, suppose this is a point in a plane and this is the fixed point, and there are many points, means set of many points whose distance from this fixed point is always constant, then this is known as this path of these points is known as circle. This fixed distance is called the center of circle, and distance of these points from this fixed point is known as radius of circle, and this path is known as circumference of circle. Or this is the known as locus of point. Locus of a point which move from any fixed point at always same distance or constant distance, then path of or locus of that point is known as circle. Circle divides any plane into three parts. First part is known as inside the circle or interior of the circle. Second part is circle, and third part is out of circle or exterior of circle. There are three parts which is divided by any circle to the plane. A line which is passes through its center and intersect this circle at 2 points is known as diameter. Suppose AB is a line and passes through the center, then AB is known as diameter of the circle. Since in this chapter there are many terminology related to circles are given. First terminology is chord. Second is sector. Third is secant. Fourth is segment. Chord, sector, secant, segment. These are some terminology related to circles. Terminology. What is the chord? Chord is nothing but if a line joining any 2 points of a circle is known as chord of that circle. This chord passing through the center, then that chord is known as diameter. That means diameter will be largest chord of this circle. If a line passes through 2 points of the circle, then this line is known as secant. This is known as secant, and this is the chord. Any chord divide the whole circle into 2 parts, and each part is known as segment. That means this is the segment. Since this segment is smaller, then this is known as minor segment, and this segment is larger, so this is known as major segment. Sector, if any 2 points on a circle, we will take another circle. Suppose this is a circle with center O, and 2 points A and B take on this circle, and if join OA and OB, then this circle divide into 2 parts. First part, that means smaller part, is known as sector, and this is a smaller, so this is known as minor sector. Minor sector, and larger part is known as major sector. Now, there are many theorems related to this chapter. We will discuss one by one in the next video.